Hi everyone, Dermot O'Brien is my name and I make these light sculptures out of wood. This is part 4 of the tutorial where I make a similar lamp, this form, but in bar maple. We will position the light bulbs in the pieces. So it's a question, if I put it in here, I have to draw a hole in the wood and the light is a bit lower down. I can also fix these bulbs to the back plate and I would have it positioned like this. And in this one I can also do both, but I think I will put one in the wood because the point of the focus of the light is down a bit. And if the other one is positioned in the lamp, then it's positioned, they won't be opposite each other, there will be a slight difference and this gives a nicer light line. So this is how I do it. In order to do this, I have to drill a hole in the bottom of the lamp using the drill. But first I have to sand that down. So it's nice and smooth now. I will now check the angle. So I have marked on the back. Now I have set up my drill with a 26mm Forstner drill bit. This is slightly smaller than the circumference of the light fitting. So when the hole is drilled, I will angle the top out a bit, so this will be a very snug fit and it'll be held firmly. Now I will use my router and a 6mm bit to cut the channel where the electrical cables can run. That's for the entry point of the cable. And this one I've run in at an angle so that it'll come out on the base plate so the cable can run through and then I can affix it to the other bulb. And now I have to widen the bottom end of the channel here. So I just go in with the I've tilted a bit. So now all the construction work has been done and it fits nicely. It has a nice gap in the middle, very continuous. And I need to take it then outside and sand it down. Then continue with the orbital sander with 320 grain. The elements of the lamp have all been sanded down now to 320 grain, very nice finish, and the curves at the top have to be hand finished, and I use a sanding sponge to get in the gaps to break the edges. Then I apply beeswax solution. So this has been waxed now. And you can see how nicely the wax brings out the bars in the bar maple. I don't use any oil on maple because it tends to turn it yellowish, and I prefer to keep the natural color of the maple if I can, and wax does this the best. Next week I will finish this tutorial, and if you liked and enjoyed this, please hit the like button and subscribe.